In this video, I'm showing you how you can unlock higher resolution and bitrate settings on your Android phone using the app ProShot. But first, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks! With ProShot, you can take photos, videos, slow motion, light painting and time-lapse. But in this one we will take a close look at how good the video recording is. Now, what is so special about ProShot? In ProShot you can unlock and select higher bitrate settings as high as 175 Mbps on my Xiaomi Mi Note 10 at least. This can be different on your phone, but I get a higher bitrate in ProShot than in Filmic Pro, for example. If your phone has it, you can also enable electronic stabilization, and what really is amazing is that you can even select higher video resolutions. At least on my phone I can select 4.2K now, which is quite amazing. I didn't even know that my Xiaomi can do this. Another great feature is you can also select a flat profile and even a log profile. This is great for color grading your footage. You can also manually select your shutter speed and ISO. And another great feature is you have an APM dial like on a real camera, and also two custom settings which you can save. In the settings you can also choose the noise reduction and you get some visualization options. Just like on a real camera, you can also select your white balance setting manually and also lock it. I think ProShot is a great app and it is very inexpensive too. For a one-time payment of only 7 euros you can unlock the full power of the camera in your phone. Since Filmic Pro went to a subscription model, unfortunately, I can totally recommend this app now, and I hope we will see more updates for this great app. Hope this is useful for you. If so, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. A lot of good stuff is coming up soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.